Want to change your name on Instagram, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram username and display name. Now let's get started. To change your Instagram username and display name, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap Edit Profile. To change your display name, tap Name. Erase your current display name and type in what you want to change it to. Your display name does not have to be unique, so you can make it whatever you'd like, be that your full name, nickname, business name, etc. You can only change your display name twice every 14 days, so you'll have the option to change it again if you change your mind. Then tap Change Name to confirm. When you're finished, tap Done to save. To change your Instagram username, tap Username. Erase your current username, then type in what you want to change it to. Your username is your unique identifier on Instagram, so you'll need to come up with something unique that is not already in use by someone else. If the name you want to use is already taken, try adding a number or underscore to switch it up. When you're finished, tap Done to save. After that, you can go back to your profile and see your new username and display name in action. That's all it takes to change your name on Instagram. Want to make your Instagram profile private? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.